The future is now. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. You watch a high tide jet, ride the tide, and subscribe. Today, talking about the Beluga slide from Zellerfeld. Zellerfeld is a 3D printing shoe company out of Germany. And this is where I got this. I found out about Zellerfeld through Elliot Page on YouTube. He has a video where he does a whole tour in their facility where they create all the 3D printed shoes. So essentially what it is a bunch of designers who upload their designs to Zellerfeld. And I'm pretty sure everybody gets a cut. Zellerfeld gets a cut, the designer gets a cut. And they 3D print the shoe. They have slides, they have boots, they have everything, shoes, you name it. The price on these was, I mean, for a slide, hefty. It was $150. This is the Beluga slide. It was designed by Chris DeRoy. From my understanding, Chris DeRoy used to work for Yeezy when they were dropping all the Adidas sneakers and stuff. From my understanding, he helped design the Yeezy slide and the foam runner, or one or the other. But anyways, this is his design. It's called the Beluga slide. This is probably the cheapest item on their website. Everything else seems to be a little pricier. I mean, does it look like a Yeezy slide? Yeezy-like. The bone colorway. I mean, everybody does bone colorway nowadays, so that doesn't necessarily mean it's easy like, but that Beluga, I see why he called it a Beluga, because it looks like the head of a beluga whale right here. It's just very up. But I mean, look at this. Very easy like. I'm gonna get you if you see little hairs on there, it's because I just finished shaving and I did not take these off, so that was my fault. But comfort, I'm a fan. I walked around in these for a day, and then I just found myself wearing it and not feeling like I wanted to take a break from wearing it. I just kept wearing it. It's comfortable. I mean, I was hoping it's gonna be comfortable for the price, because I'm like, well, worst case, I paid for like a novelty item. I'm like, oh, I could tell everybody I have a 3D printed slide. It is worth it. It is very comfortable and it looks cool. It just looks like if Yeezy never stopped working with Adidas and they just took the Yeezy slide to the next level. I mean, I like the way this looks. Let me know what you guys think. The process of ordering these, you go on the website, you create an account, and then you scan your foot. Put my phone down like that. And boom, I just scan my foot. They kind of ask you like, oh, what size do you usually wear? I say I usually wear 8.5, and then they scan my foot, and then they pretty much estimated the length of my feet, the width of my feet, and then I accepted it. And then after I accepted it, honestly, it took maybe 3 weeks to get to my house. They said it could take essentially a month to 3 months, I guess, depending on what they got going on. I know they've been very busy lately. They recently had a collaboration with Nike. So I was surprised when I said that the box was, or that the slides were ready and that they shipped. After they shipped, they got here like in a week, literally. This is the box. Zellerfeld. Says the designer, Beluga, says my name. I can just cover up my name part. But all that, man. The box is cool. Step into the future. For sure. I love this brand. I mean, and I follow the CEO on Instagram. There it is. In this box are your 3D printed shoes, which have been quality assured by our Zellerfeld engineers. They are custom fitted, recyclable, and have neither glues nor stitches. Thank you for your trust and for helping shape the future of footwear. We hope you enjoy them, and please let us know what you think. You're shoe farmers. It comes with a typical paper you get in a shoebox, and they gave you socks. Cool. I purposely left the socks in there because I'm making this video, but I will be using them probably today. Oh, God. Hit myself in the face. Let me know what you guys think about these slides. Are they worth $150? Do you think 3D printing footwear is something of the future? Is it just a little phase, just a little kind of like novelty item where you're like, all right, I bought it, I wore it once, but I prefer the feeling of regular slides? Or is this like, okay, this is super comfortable and I think this is the future? If you're asking me, because I have it in hand, I think 3D printing anything is the future, but specifically we're talking about footwear, I think it is the future. Just how quickly they can create something. You know, Zellerfeld is just like the first big company to do this, but once other companies either copy the technology or come up with their own technology and the floodgates are, because they pretty much open up the floodgates, then I think it's just going to be more and more production. I think you're going to see it more and more. More companies are going to use it, and the design, like this started off as a file on this guy's computer, Chris DeRoy, sent it to Zellerfeld, they perfected it, and boom, now, you know, as long as they have the machines, they can just keep making more and more and more and more and more. So now that guy, Chris DeRoy, or whatever other designer uses Zellerfeld, they're like, all right, well, let's send them my other designs. Doesn't have to go through the process that they used to have to go through, like as far as collaborating with people who have these huge production connections and stuff like that. Now it's like, all right, you're cool with Zellerfeld, boom, submit it, and then we good. But anyways, guys, wanted to do a video on this. Like I said, I didn't see many videos. Elliot Page has probably the best video because, well, he actually went to their facility. But this would probably be the second best video. Just to Elliot Page. I mean, he's the OG, right? But anyways, guys, check him out. The only thing, I wish it was a little bit cheaper, but I mean, it is what it is. This is a new technology. Zellerfeld, it's just them. So, and then the designer has to get paid too. So I get it, but 3D printed, feels great, nice and comfortable. Been wearing these over my other slides. I just like the Yeezy 2.0 look. I know I always say the slides that I buy are Yeezy 2.0, but I mean, I think this is as close as it gets. Tell me if I'm lying. But yeah, nice and comfortable, and I'm looking forward to buying more from Zellerfeld. So shout out to Zellerfeld. And shout out to you guys for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. I appreciate y'all for watching. And I'm going to holler at y'all later. Peace.